So we're going to prepare this chicken by spachcocking it or butterflying it. To do this, we need to cut along the backbone and then pull out the breastbone. The reason for doing this is that it can lie flat, which allows it to cook more evenly and it reduces the cooking time. The first step is to cut along the spine using some very sharp kitchen scissors. I recommend starting at the head and making your way towards the bum. So now that we've cut out our backbone, it has exposed the center of the chicken. So in order for it to be able to lie flat, we need to do a slit along here to expose the breastbone. To do that, take a really sharp knife and there's a little bit of a cut there. And then should be able to pop it open just like that. So that exposes the breastbone here. So what we want to do now is cut along the cartilage, which removes the cartilage between the two bits of chicken. Little slits like that should allow it to come out. So that broke, which means I didn't cut deep enough. So just cut a little bit more. So now, as you can see, our chicken is going to lie flat. So now the last thing to do is tuck the wings under. Just like that. And there you have it. How to butterfly a chicken in less than 90 seconds. Please subscribe to our channel for more weekly videos.